Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Urgent, Shytoshi Kusama just deleted Shiba Inu zeros. Explained. Shiba Inu project leader Shytoshi Kusama reappeared on Twitter with a cryptic tweet after a 15-day break. The mysterious disappearance of Shiba Inu's founder Ryoshi had pushed the spotlight on Shytoshi Kusama, the lead developer. What did he post about Shib and how would it affect the token? Stay tuned to know that. In this video, we will talk about Shytoshi Kusama just deleted Shiba Inu zeros. Explained. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content. Without further ado, let's begin the video. After a slight rebound, the crypto market was back in the red today early trading hours. Bitcoin again breached the $20,000 threshold, denting the sentiments for other crypto assets. The flow of bad crypto news was slower than it has been most days over the past 6 weeks. However, the gloom and fear in the crypto industry still persists. Barring the UNIS SED Leo, which was up by 3% down, all other crypto tokens were lower. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Polkadot plunged 4% each, whereas Cardano shed 3%. Sentiment revealed in a tweet on June 29th that the network activity for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu has increased. Over the past 10 days, Doge's network activity has increased by 32%. And Shib's activity is up by 35%. Recent data has indicated that ETH whales have been making it a priority to stock up on Shib over the last month. Shib also surpassed USDT to be one of the top 3 most held tokens amongst the richest ETH whales. Regarding Shib's holders, the meme coin was doing well at the beginning of June and stood at 1,198,532 holders on June 3rd. The next day, on June 4th, Shib's holders fell to 1,174,956, according to CoinMarketCap. Since then, the amount of Shib holders has seen a steady increase throughout the whole of June. Today, the number of Shib holders stands at 1,189,250. Now, let's move to the main subject. Shytoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, made a comeback on Twitter with a cryptic tweet. Today I write, tomorrow I will have a lot to say, #ShibArmy. Kusama addresses the Shib Army, the community of Shiba Inu coin holders, in this tweet, teasing a major announcement in the project soon. The Shiba Inu ecosystem has a few projects under development. Creator Ryoshi had kickstarted the development of Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution, and Shiba Games under his leadership. Since Ryoshi's disappearance, there have been consistent updates in the meme coins ecosystem. Before the recent tweet, Kusama affirmed that the development of Shiba Inu projects is going well, and the community can expect an exciting announcement within the next few days. ShibArmy believes Kusama could reveal a key update on the development of Shibarium or a release date for the Layer 2 scaling solution. The Unification Foundation told ShibArmy in a blog post on June 24th that Shibarium's beta phase will be launched in the 3rd quarter of 2022. Shibarium is key to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and Shib holders, as the launch of the Layer 2 solution would power the development of applications in the meme coins network. Shibarium's launch could considerably reduce the transaction costs and time required to process transactions in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. SHIBASWAP was launched in July 2021. Since Shiba Inu's decentralized exchange is fast approaching its anniversary, Kusama could likely share an update on the DEX. The native decentralized exchange of the Shiba Inu ecosystem has emerged as a staple of Shib. It provides several functions like token swapping and liquidity pools, staking, governance, and a Shiboshi's non-fungible token marketplace. ShibBurn, the portal that offers insights on the burn implementation in Shiba Inu, revealed that Shib recently crossed the milestone of 410 trillion burn tokens. With the massive burn in Shiba Inu, the Shib Army expects a change in the burning mechanism to speed up the act of removing Shib tokens permanently from circulation. Over 41% of the circulating supply of Shiba Inu has been permanently destroyed, while the remainder is in circulation or staked on SHIBASWAP. A shift in the burn mechanism could help Shib pick up the pace and destroy more tokens, contributing to a spike in the value of Shiba Inu held by the community. Akasha Girimath, a crypto analyst at FX Street, believes Shiba Inu's price could disappoint bulls as the meme coin begins its downtrend. Shiba Inu's price recently recouped its losses from the last 14 days, but it is likely that bears will take over the Dogecoin killer. Shiba Inu's fair value gap extends from $0.00000082 to $0.000093. The analyst believes there is a likelihood of panic selling in Shiba Inu, and the meme coin would eventually drop lower to its FVG. Shytoshi Kusama posted a tweet looking at the bleeding crypto market a few weeks ago. "Dear Shib, I know the market conditions are tough, but it's amazing to see how #Shiba Army Strong is so true. We are holding at number 15 despite the insanity of the world. Hail Shib," Kusama said. They also highlighted that despite the criticism faced by several Shiba Inu projects, this trying time proved that having revenue outside of the crypto market is a good idea. Secondly, although the tactic of what people erroneously think are my pet projects but are actually community-driven initiatives has been ridiculed, I think we can all now see how having revenue outside the crypto space is actually a good idea. The tweet read. They also advised investors to buy the dip, noting, "Next, during this bear market is the best opportunity for anyone to buy Shib or burn Shib. Ryoshi would say that the number doesn't always go up and that it wasn't a bad thing, something I didn't understand at the time." Kusama also hinted at the release of the projects and mentioned projects coming into fruition over the next few weeks when Shib and the world needs it most. He also said that he can't wait to prove to the world what I already know, that Shib is the most powerful token, community, ecosystem, and brand the world has ever known. The Shiba Inu lead developer always surfaces at the most opportune time to offer the community the assurance it needs. The development team is set to launch the Layer 2 solutions, Shibarium, Shiba Inu Games, and Shib the Metaverse, and with things already in motion, investors might not have to wait long to see them launched. Crypto experts believe that Shiba Inu and BitGert might be some of the best coins to watch this year. There are many developments that Shiba Inu and the BitGert teams are working on, which might make these projects do well. Despite the massive price decline, Shiba Inu is ranked among the crypto projects that might do well this year. The Shiba Inu project might build on its massive following and the 2021 hype to explode. In addition to that, Shiba Inu has been working on its ecosystem. A number of Shiba Inu products have been launched so far that if they can gain massive adoption, they might explode Shib price. The Shiba Inu Shibarium is one of the widely awaited products today. Shibarium is expected to be a big deal once launched, as the scaling protocol for the Shiba Inu network. With the developments that might skyrocket Shiba Inu's price, this might be the coin to watch. Veteran trader Peter Brandt has shared a US dollar index chart showing that the world's leading currency is breaking through the previously existing resistance. While not making any comments about DXY influencing the cryptocurrency market, traders already expect major pressure on Bitcoin and other cryptos. Thanks to TradingViews' comparison tool, we can see a reverse correlation between Bitcoin and DXY. Wherever the US dollar shows strength in the market, Bitcoin tends to retrace from local tops and resistance. The main reason behind such a trend is simple. Investors choose less volatile assets whenever the US currency is strong, and prefer to make a slow and steady income from tools like bonds rather than exposing themselves to risk assets like cryptocurrencies. The most recent rate hike and upcoming hikes until 2023, the US dollar feels comfortable compared to the rest of the world's currencies. We are most likely to see the continuous strengthening of the currency in the future and a lack of inflows into risk assets and markets. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.